network so that anyone can build blockchain application and fact.
26442 participant. SocialNet Pro ongoing. SocialNet is built a decentralized proven network so that anyone can build blockchain application and infrastructure scored by cryptographic no trust. SocialNet is building a decentralized proven network so that anyone can build blockchain application and infrastructure scored by cryptographic trust no trust. Website X 2000000. Total prize pool 26442. Participants 303D 0410 16 event ends. First one is registration offer, second one is event ending, third one is airdrop. Complete task to share 2000000 proof prize pool. First future trade pool price 1000000 proof 1000000 proof 20 proof total tokens individual share limit est.share. The prize pool has been fully claimed. Please check the est.share on the page to see if you have won. Login and participate. Complete task. Fast futures trading volume 5000 USDT for futures fast traded exclusive trade 5000 USDT in any futures trade contract to earn 20 pro. Claim 20 pro reward will be distributed 2025090. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Activity rules. After joining Gate, if users have not conducted any contract trading, the first contract trading volume of any token 5000 USDT will receive a fee reward of 20 Pro on a first come first serve basis. The total price pool is 1000000 Pro. Futures trading to share 1000000 Pro 1000000 Pro total token city Pro individual share limit EST share. Complete task and share price pool share reward login and participate. Complete task to try one Prover futures trading mission 30000 USDT 1 candy equal 19.252984 Pro. Try to Boa Sheng, thank you so much to join my live stream. Gate user 212D3, thank you so much to join my live stream. Try to Pro futures trading mission 50000 USDT 3 candies 57.758952 Pro. Try 3 Pro Futures Trading Mission 800000 USDT 5 candies 96264921 Pro. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Claim up to 80 Pro. Reward will be distributed on 2025. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Activity roles. Activity roles. First one is during the event, users with cumulative futures trading volume 30000 USD proof can receive candies up to a maximum of 9 candies and share in the 1000000 prize pool. Second one is future trading volume equal open interest plus closed interest. So चलते हैं अब इस कैफी क्यू की तरफ. What are the requirements to participating in CandyDrop? Use participating in CandyDrop are required to complete identity verification and click the join button on the event page. Only after successfully joining will their active data be counted. Market makers, enterprises, and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. Second one is when will candies be distributed? After complete task, candy will be distributed within 1 minus 3 hours. After users complete task, will log in and check the candies content from CandyDrop after 3 hours. Thank you so much. Gate user 07F539B5. Thank you so much to Raman Alex, Roman ZL. Thank you so much. Sargio Bonani. Thank you so much. B Khan. Thank you so much to Raman Alex. Third one is what is the price pool sharing and why are there are no candy rewards? Price pool sharing means that users who reach the activity threshold through their transaction volume or recharge amount during the event can share the reward pool professionally. Therefore, there are no candy rewards. Fourth one is what are the first spot and first futures trading tasks. Users who have never conducted any sport or futures trading after joining Gate and can claim this task by making their future sport futures trade of the specified token and reaching the cumulative trading volume requirement during the event period. User can complete the task and receive even rewards. Alex, BTS, Scott, thank you so much. Discovery, thank you so much to my last team. The term and condition. First one is participants must click the join button on the event page after successfully joining the event, complete the event task and identity verification to receive the rewards. Second one is reward will be distributed within 14 business days after the event concludes. Third one is bulk realization of multiple accounts, malicious value manipulation, wash trading, self-dealing or other cheating behaviors are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts verified under the same use identity will be considered a single account. Sub accounts are not illegal for participants. Fourth one is market makers, business and institution are not illegal for this event. Affiliate accounts cannot join refer activate but can participate in all over event without registration in case of this. Discovery, good morning, welcome Discovery, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया to join my live stream and beautiful comments. Milhoy 28, thank you so much to join my live stream. Make to money Wolf 1, thank you so much to join my live stream. Vidrahani 2121, thank you so much to join my live stream. Fifth one is in case of discrepancies between translative version and in the English version shall prevail. Discovery, thank you so much crypto Discovery, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया. Good to see you there. Sixth one is get reserved that final right of interpretation of this event. So चलते हैं अभी इसके वेबसाइट की तरफ. So prove the world software SushiNet is the decentralized proof network that makes zero knowledge essay for everyone. Oh, 5 million plus proof generated for you. Good to see you diagram and start building earn rewards. Want to build the 35 plus partner for B plus TVL scored the best teams trust SushiNet to power their critical futures including Polygon, Celestia, Avile and more. Partner with us. The infrastructure for the priming economy. Developers SP1 the world's fastest RISC-V ZKVM provers proven network are decentralized network to provide compute and earn rewards. तो ब्यूटीफुल SP1 की डायग्राम है और दूसरी proven network की. SushiNet makes zero knowledge essay and score right trust prove verify rust right trust prove verify. Make zero knowledge easy. Use ZKPS with essay to write maintainable code for fast development. Prove at light speed, generate proof locally or use or proven network with SP1 at peak performance built with privacy verifiability anywhere. Verify SP1 proof on any blockchain, Ethereum, L2S, Solana, mobile, the web and beyond. Built with Shushin as ZKVMS, generate proof of Ethereum block execution using Wrath and RAM. Run in SP1 and create a ZKVM with just Rust code rollups, generate validated proof of your rollups state transition function and use ZKPS to bridge to Ethereum or other settlement layers. Pro processor perform large scale computation of historical state, continuous layer data and more on chain identity. Use client side proving to create association. Write private imports to build application with private voting or anonymity. Machine learning empower your on-chain application with autonomous agents and generative art and customized user experiences. Interoperability use any cryptographic operation not natively supported to the in the EVM, such as elliptic curve, arithmetic pairing, and signatures. To explore the SushiNet world, so your beautiful diagram. Get in touch, partner with us, reach, go out to touch with our team. So stake to power staking stake prover to approver earn your share of prover revenue and additional incentives. Use SP1 start building with the fastest more future complete ZKVM for developers. Explore the network, explore the observe real world usage of social and prover network backed by the brightest win work with the world class investor at the cutting edge of blockchain crypto paradigm bankless ventures geometry robot ventures ZKV. So चलते हैं अभी इसके वाइट पेपर की तरफ. So Sushina Network proved the world software Umar Roy, John Guebes, Kashiti Kulkarani, Sushina Malaysia Pai, Dan Robinson, Rice University and SMG's paradigm abstract. We propose the Sushina Network, a decentralized protocol that proves the world software. The network coordinates a distributed set of proofs who generate zero knowledge of proof through a novel incentive mechanism called proof contest to create in the world most efficient, robust proving cluster. Users submit requests in the form of RISC program with inputs and fees that determine proving priority. Provers then engage in proof contests, which are all pay auctions for the right to generate proof with minimal latency and cost in order to earn fees. The auction settle on our application specific blockchain. Both proof contest and blockchain are cost designed with SP1 ZKVM. They approve the execution of RICSV. Bytecode proof contests are specifically designed to balance the competing goals of minimizing proving costs while encouraging a decentralized set of provers. The network coordinates to ecosystem of user hardware terms and fracture operators with the crypto economic incentive permissionless participants in the protocol catalyze a global scale infrastructure build out. Permissionless participation in protocol catalyze a global scale infrastructure build out that drives down the cost and latency of zero knowledge proof generation for all. So for one is introduction. Decentralized systems such as blockchain operate based on distributed consensus. Multiple parties execute computation and agree on the result in exchange. Blockchains allow for trustless application that does not have a centralized mediator. The idea was first applied to decentralized money with Bitcoin and then to everyday trustless computation with Ethereum NAC 08 but 13 Rudan computation how is costly and imposes overhead on blockchain relative to their centralized counterparts. Due to this reason, blockchain remain bottleneck. Sushinet zero knowledge that can promise a path forward. They enable a prover to convince a verifier of the knowledgeable of a claim such as the execution of a program. So MHZ SP1 time customized circuits RISCV ZKVMS diagram proof system have experienced exponential performance improvements. B ZK virtual machines convert application specific circuits to general purpose programs. ZK programming technology has been rapid progress with operationally private inputs with approves that is much shorter than the claim itself. BS plus 13 BS plus 14. This allows blockchain to scale the throughput by separating transaction execution, which is expensive, from transaction shorter than the claim itself. BS plus 13 transaction execution, which is expensive, from transaction verification, which can be made cheap through ZK proof. Only a small fraction of the participants in the ecosystem have to do expensive computation, while many nodes can just verify it. In the case of Ethereum, will real-time ZK proof express can verify cheap snarks instead of natively executing the EVM transition, allowing Ethereum to arbitrarily scale Dara 24 beyond their implication for making blockchain scalable and commercially viable. That can prove hard a fundamentally new kind of computing paradigm, cryptographic computing that enables verifiability in the all system. They implement implications of geocaching verifiability and wide-ranging today tasks such as authentication, identity management, and transaction verification take up the resources for governments and global companies. With cryptographic computing, it may be possible to vastly reduce the overhead these entities face via protocols that consume ZK proof and automatically verify contract program execution over private use information quickly. ZK proofs differ from earlier cryptographic primitives such as digital signature, which enable authentication on the internet in their probability. They can allow for validity statements about any computations on any private or public inputs, vastly opening the design space for decentralized protocols and business logic involving assertions or identity. Thank you so much, all of you, to join my live stream. and also follow me, Crypto Champion. Thank you so much. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया for your beautiful comments. Good morning, everyone. Crypto Zone. Thank you so much to join my live stream. ZK-proof hard a fundamentally new kind of computing paradigm, cryptographic computing that enables verifiability in all systems. The implements of encryption verifiability are wide-ranging to the tasks such as authentication, identity management, and transaction verification take up the resources of governments and global companies. With cryptographic computing, it may be possible to vastly reduce the overhead these entities face via protocols that consume ZK proofs and automatically verify correct program execution over private use information. Quickly, ZK proof program verify correct program execution over private use information. Quickly, ZK proof differ from earlier cryptographic parameters such as digital critical. ZK proof differ overhead, these entities face execution primitives such as digital signatures, which enable authentication on the internet in the programmability. They can allow for verifiability statements about any computations on any private or public inputs, vastly opening the design space for decentralized protocols and business logic involving associations, vastly opening for verifiable, which enable authentication on the internet in their probability. They can allow for your statement about any computation on any private or public inputs, vastly opening the design space for decentralized protocols and business logic involving associations to identity. Zoni Trader, welcome to Jam Elastic. Today there are two important trends in ZK technology that indicate we are a significant inflection point. The first is the rapid increase in performance in particle ZK proof of system, which efficient interactive proof system were introduced in the 1980 GMR85. They are remain difficult to use until modern proof system made significant advances. Performance has been on an exponential curve due to improvements in software and performance engineering theory. Yep, sir. Welcome to Jam Elastic, my dear brother. The second is the progress in 1-2 bridges Oracle's privacy identity coordinated via contra SP1 network, priming pools, AWS, GCP, coordinate other proving factual application proof content mechanism, use submit request with fees, network prover selected, prover 1, prover 2, prover 3, third prover fulfills proofs. Figure 2. The Sushinan network creates a global distributed proving clusters with a unified experience for user powered by proof contest ZK proving technology from application specific circuit design which concords program logic in an arithmetic circuit to general purpose ZK virtual machine ZK VMS that enable the programming of arbitrary deterministic programs and can utilize normal code and exiting software. Figure 1b, the flexibility of normal programming language and executing software. Figure 1b, the flexibility of normal programming language allows of the use of existing code. General purpose ZKVMS such as SP1 and has radically expanded the number of developers who can build applications using ZK and have allow blockchain to become early consumers of ZK, providing the SP1 to for the confluence of both exponential performance improvements and general purpose. ZKVMS suggests our examination of integrates that will be required to accelerate the adoption of the cryptographic for executing the code. General purpose ZKVMS such as SP1 has radically expanded the number of developers who can build applications using ZK and have allowed blockchain to become early consumer of ZK, proving SP1 to 4. The confluence of both in exponential cryptographic computing, exponential performance improvements, and general purpose ZKVMS suggest our examination of the integrates that will be required to accelerate the adoption of the cryptographic computing paradigms ZK proving in a computationally intensive workload on the order of large-scale AI system or Bitcoin mining production tasks like programming the execution of a blockchain state transition function can require specialized hardware such as GPU and may require custom AISICS actions can require specialized hardware such as GPU and many require custom ASICs in the future. As the adoption of ZK technology accelerates, priming will necessitate an ecosystem of infrastructure priming from data center build-outs in areas with low an ecosystem infrastructure provider from data center build-outs with low cost of electricity to deployment of central specialized hardware for blockchain use cases. It is important that providing be decentralized with geographically distributed proving is important that proving be decentralized with geographically distributed proving operators in addition to home provers who can provide reliability and liveness. Realizing the ecosystem composed of users, provers, and fractures providers require global scale coordination and a network that appropriately incentive hardware acceleration, proof decentralized, and cost computations on ZK priming. ZK priming technology from application specific allows for your resource for executing code. Developers who can build applications using ZK allowed blockchain to become earlier consumer of ZK priming SP124. The confluence of both exponential performance improvements, ZK virtual machines, ZK VMS enable and the programming arbitrarily determined programs. Realizing the ecosystem composed of user proof and infrastructure provider requires globally scaled coordination and a network that appropriately incentives hard requires global scale coordination and a network that appropriately incentive hardware acceleration provide decentralized and cost computation on ZK priming to where in acceleration provide decentralized and cost computation on ZK proving to ensure that advances in proving technology is secure to end users. This network outed to the code sign with a single ZKVM network code sign. Thank you so much all of you to join my live stream. Ensures that users can write applications on a canonical open source ZKVM that experiences computational performance improvements and hardware teams in factual providers can coordinate on a unified platform. The combination of coordination and competition between providers is a catalyst for the creation of a maximally efficient network. So application demand proof, roll-ups, bridges, or oracles. Data center operators invest in build-out efficient prices, attract novel application surfaces globally, available priming capacity competition through proof contest. Figure 3. The network by aggregating supply and demand create a virtuous flywheel for providing infrastructure and RD. And second one is SushiNet network. The SushiNet network introduces the idea of a global and distributed providing cluster code designed with SP1 and powered by a competitive ocean mechanism called proof contest to dramatically expand the providing capacity of the world. Figure 2. First one is a global distributed proving cluster. The network provides a unified platform for users to submit proof requests and for anyone in the world to provide proving capacity proof can joining the network permissionlessly. The participate by running node software and users can get high reliability guarantee for their request. Second one is proof contest. The proof contest mechanism is a novel option that balances priming cost and decentralization and induces free market competition on providing it function and all pay option with collateral that allows for effective prices discovery on request while maintaining all this decentralized provider set and solving severe relative problems such as spamming, contamination, and griefing. Proof contest settle on application specific blockchain design, the coordinating provides with the request. 2.1 market structure. There are two primary participants in the net application who demand ZK priming and providers who provide priming capacity and manufacture the cluster and pros contest mechanism jointly induce a market structure with a virtuous flywheel by Aggregating supply and demand figure 3. This incentives global scale competition already. So for developing increasingly efficient priming, factual tight integration with SP1 development and the network also ensure that technology and an algorithm advances in priming can quickly accurate to users. We detail this process and how it affects the market participant 2.1.1. The network kickstarts a virtuous flywheel by aggregating supply and demand. The network is simplicity architected so that any users who permissionlessly set request in a unified interface and so that any provider join and provide capacity according to pricing determined by the contest mechanism. The existence of this free market aggregate demand across many applications and supply across many providers. This has been the following application, and the network also ensure that technology and algorithmic advances in improving and can join accordingly to users who detail this process and how it affects the market participants. The network is compatibility architecture so that any users can permissionlessly can request in a unified interface and so that any provider can join and provide capacity according to pricing determined by the proof contest mechanism. The existence of this market aggregates demand across many applications and supply across many providers that has the following application. First one is a unified cost experience means more efficiency. Without the aggregation of supply and demand, it is likely that is market for priming degenerates into application providers making welcome all of you to Jam live stream. Making bespoke agreement or application setting up in a house. In fact, over the long run, application team may not be well positioned to run their own priming infrastructure due to their specialized operationally and technical skills involved over the counter rails are not efficient or lead to frictions in the market or transparent market with a unified protocol for pricing provided by an aggregated supply chain reduces protocol for pricing provided by an aggregated supply chain reduce integration time, development cost, and in generates efficient prices. Thank you so much, all of you, to join my live stream. Get user BCD1E43. Thank you so much. Dark Byte. Thank you so much. Danisik Pramata. Thank you so much to join my live stream. King Dollar 786. Thank you so much. Get user AE20DB68. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Bikener 888. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Kick Borek. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Get user AE20DB. Skyfall, thank you so much. Lily02122214, thank you so much. Make 20 money, thank you so much. Crypto Sita, thank you so much to join my live stream. UID1440857, thank you so much all of you to join my live stream and also follow me. Development cost and generates efficient prices. So second one is transfer price using Denbar, thank you so much. Zony Trader, welcome again to join my live stream. Zony Trader, how are you there? Get user CE80 2B2. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Transparent pricing accelerates effective with transparent pricing and aggregated amount provides for economies that are far easier to forecast. Thank you so much, Perry1122 to join my live stream. Zulu link. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Provers can build out infrastructure faster and with more constantly because their cash flows are more predictably. The existence of a transparent make for market for proving means that prover risk can be priced and financed efficiently. Yet user A60C4497. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Second one is transparent privacy accelerates infrastructure with transparent privacy and aggregate demand proof for face economies that are fair as a forecast. Provers can build out infrastructure faster and with the more centrally because their cash flows are more predictable. The existence of a transparent market of for proving mean that provers risk can be priced and punished efficiently. Short K Petroid, thank you so much to Jamal. Third one is home provers with low cost of capital can form priming pools. The protocol allows for anyone in the world with small proving capacity to join. Often individuals with home GPU and hardware have far smaller capital cost due to spare capacity and low operational costs. Sorry, due to cheap electricity than larger operators by allowing them home provers to participate. Proving capacity can be dramatically increased and efficient prices can be maintained. In section 3.4 we introduce the notion of a proving pools, which is a set of provers that pull their capacity together to jointly bid in the proof contest mechanism. This allows home provers to mitigate economic risk. Calip 2020, thank you so much to Jamal Ashim. Sita 1345126, thank you so much to Jamal Ashim. Often individuals with the home GPU and hardware have far smaller capital costs larger operators by allowing home provers to participate. Proving capacity can be dramatically increased and efficient privacy. Tasika 7722, thank you so much to join my live stream. Tasika, how are you, dear? Permissionless participation encourages proof decentralized. Fourth one is B causes entry into the market from both sides in permissionless the friction by joining the beginning to provide proving capacity or minimize. This allows provers to join from anywhere enabling geographic decentralization. Thank you so much. Visitors 9570989. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Gate user 41D957CE. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Gate user 133E0598. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Sita, welcome again to join my live stream. UID, thank you so much. King Dollar 786. Thank you so much. Lily, thank you so much to join my live stream. Karada 135. Thank you so much. Karade, thank you so much to join my live stream. 10, 20, 30, 40. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Yup, sir. Thank you so much. How are you? I am fine, and you, yup, sir. So permissionless के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे. B cause entry into the faster gate user 133E0598. Thank you so much to Jamal Ashim. Sita 13445 Thank you so much. Welcome again to Jamal Ashim. B cause entry into the market from the both sides is permissionless the friction by joining the beginner to provide proving capacity or minimize. This allows provers to join from anywhere enabling geographic decentralized contract to a marketplace on the join. The friction joining and beginning to provide proving capacity are minimized. This allows to provers to join from anywhere, enabling geographic decentralized in contrast to our marketplace. Virtual, thank you so much to Jamal Ashim. Fine, thank you so much to Jamal Ashim. This allows provers to join from anywhere, enabling geographic decentralized in contrast to our marketplace where only certain actors can participate. This means that downstream users and applications can reliably receive proofs. This means that downstream users can application can reliably receive proofs and they are not bottlenecked by a prover in a particular location. So importantly, market that aggregate supply and demand have historically resulted in Mahadi Hassan, Rafi triple double seven. Thank you so much to Jamal live stream. 13 sources of wealth RA. Thank you so much to Jamal live stream. So, ever greater efficiency and better prices for all participants. This virtuous flywheel accelerate both the demand and supply side. 2.1.2 Pro contest incentives. Global scale competition while mean. Get user 17290940C. Thank you so much to Jamal Hashim. Training prover decentralized the proof contest mechanism includes competition on proving the incentives a decentralized proof set ensuring that applications that require high reliability and liveness are able to receive proof for a minimal cost. Proof contests are all pay options where proof compared to receive fees provided by proof request cited by user. They all pay futures uses. Thank you so much. Zero X bit. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया. Gate user 41D804A9. Thank you so much to Jamal Hashim. UID 144058597. Thank you so much to Jamal Hashim. Gate user EFF34FEB. Thank you so much to Jamal Hashim. UID 1440857. Welcome again to Jamal Hashim. The approved contest mechanism induces competition or bribing and incentives. Dansika Pratama, thank you so much to Jamal Hashim. Decentralized proof set ensuring that applications that require high reliability and liveness are able to receive proof or for minimal cost. Proof contests are all pay auctions where proofs compete to receive fee provided by proof requests sent by users. They all pay, which include is providing in decentralized. We providing more detail about the mechanism in section 3. First one is proof contests enable competition between provers. Primarily, proof contests are designed to enable provers anywhere in the world to participate in the network while competing on proving contests. This is achieved by asking provers to bid in auctions to be able to receive fees sent by users. Proof contests surface price signals by adjusting their fields to mind market clearing prices for proofs. Get user DA9B41B. Thank you so much to Jamal Hashim and also follow me. Get user, thank you so much. Zero XBit, thank you so much. 13 sources of wealth, or thank you so much to Jamal Hashim. Are designed to enable powers in anywhere. No time, thank you so much to Jamal Hashim. No time to 20 money, thank you so much to Jamal Hashim. In the world, participate in the world with while competing on private cost, which is that is achieved by the asking powers to bid in the auctions to be able to receive fees set by users. Proofs contest to surface price signals by adjusting their fees to find market clearing prices for proofs. Price discovery allows of reinvestment. Proof contests pay out a large share of fees sent by users to provers site provers form their core task by efficiently generating low-cost ZK proofs within a user-specified deadline. They allow return from the contest be reinvested in better proving factual and algorithmic and hardware improvements in improving provers and incentives to continually improve their proving factors. Alexa, thank you so much to Jamal Hashim. Coin determinism wealth. Thank you so much to Jamal Hashim. Proving factor proving polls can also provide factor and algorithmic and hardware improvements in proving. Prover are incentives are continually improving their proving factor. Proving polls can also provide some more thought fees to individual provers, allowing them to participate in network in a plug and play fashion. The gains from competition occur to application and users are the primary beneficiaries from competition between provers. Over time, provers directly compete with each other on the future that user demand low cost of proof delivered within used specific deadlines. Importantly, there are applications that require proof to be delivered at low cost to the variable at scale. The network use fee market competition to serve this application. Get user 41D8404A9. थैंक यू सो मच टू जामिल हाशिम. तो गाइस ये मेरा फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट था. आप सबका बेहद शुक्रिया इतनी सपोर्ट करने के लिए. Fourth one, as the network uses free market competition to observe this application. Fourth one is the mechanism enables prover decentralized. In contrast to native mechanism in which a prover who can generate proofs at a lower cost than any other would be expected to win 100% of auctions, such as a simple reserve auction. The proof contest mechanism incentives decentralized even under the existence. Thank you so much, all of you, to Jamal Hashim. This is done via in all pay futures that resemble Hiba. Hello, welcome Hiba. Princess One. Thank you so much to Jamal Hashim. Hiba, welcome. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया for your beautiful compliments. Hiba, how are you dear? आप कैसे हैं? Good to see you dear. The proof contact mechanism incentives decentralized even under the existence of such हिबा अगर आप हैं तो हिबा हाउ आर यू? आई एम फाइन डियर। आप कैसी हैं हिबा? आप हिबा आपका बेहद शुक्रिया। हिबा ये मेरा फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट था। उस्मान अली 140793 वेलकम ब्रदर टू जैम लाइव स्ट्रीम। हिबा आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू सो मच हिबा फॉर योर ब्यूटीफुल मलकाम, थैंक यू सो मच हिबा, आपका बेहद शुक्रिया फॉर योर ब्यूटीफुल कम्प्लीमेंट्स। एम डी जाफर अहमद, थैंक यू सो मच टू जैम लाइव स्ट्रीम। Since it necessarily involves the network in this regards sacrificing some efficiency, since it necessarily involves sometimes allocating to higher cost providers in exchange having a robust decentralized get to the C7EF04 E4. Thank you so much to Jamal Asim. Usman Ali, win 1 USDT by giving me your votes in content creator list. Okay, उस्मान अली मैं आपकी लाइव में भी आता हूँ, आपकी लाइव बेहद शुक्रिया होती है, बहुत ही अच्छी होती है उस्मान अली आपकी लाइव। वेलकम उस्मान अली। Hiba, you are doing good job. Your representation is too good. I find this helpful for all. Thank you so much, Hiba, for your beautiful compliments. The existence MD Jafar Ahmed, VH 62668777. Thank you so much, Jamal Ashim. Time Traveler 1. Thank you so much, Jamal Ashim. This intention abroad provides set and prevents prover concentration, which help ensure long-term robustness of the prevent prover concentration, which helps ensure long-term robustness of the network. This regards sacrificing some efficiency since it necessarily involves sometimes allocating proof to higher cost provers in exchange. Having a robust centralized proof that allows एप्लीकेशन टू रिप्लाई ऑन द नेटवर्क। हिबा की तरफ से फिर एक और मैसेज रिप्लाई हुआ है, मेरी लाइव पर भी आया करें कभी कभी। हिबा आप मुझे अपना टाइम बता दें, आप कब करती हैं, मैं इंशाल्लाह आपकी लाइव में ज़रूर आऊँगा। आप किस टाइम करती हैं लाइव, ये अपना टाइम बता दें मुझे। Allocating proof to higher cost provers in exchange having a robust decentralized prover set allows application to reply on the network। हिबा आप न्यूज़ स्ट्रीमर वोटिंग पर हैं? हिबा पता नहीं, मैंने खुद नहीं देखा अभी, अगर हैं तो आप मुझे बता सकती हैं मुझे। मैं हूँ तो न्यूज़ स्ट्रीमर हिबा, मैं आई एम अ न्यूज़ स्ट्रीमर ऑफ गेट लाइफ। Permissionless participation Bitcoin setup a miner Filecoin Alio Sushin network setup a miner setup a storage setup a prover incentive proof of work proof of every application proof of Sushin network proof contest। हिबा 8 PM। ओके हिबा इंशाल्लाह मैं आपकी लाइव में ज़रूर आऊँगा। एप्लीकेशन डिसेंट्रलाइज मनी डिसेंट्रलाइज स्टोरेज प्राइवेट ब्लॉकचेन डिसेंट्रलाइज प्राइवेट 2.2 related works। The Sushin network draws its inspiration from a line of related work that use crypto-economic incentives to coordinate global scale compute infrastructure build out। सोहिबा की तरफ से मैसेज रिसीव हो गया था। क्रिप्टो लियो मैं हूँ, आप मुझे वोट करें प्लीज़, मैं नंबर 1 पे हूँ। माशाल्लाह आप तो नंबर 1 पे हैं हिबा, इंशाल्लाह मैं आपको वोट करूँगा। वर्क दैट यूज्ड crypto economy incentives to coordinate global a hash rate that exceeds that capacity of any one company or nation. This was catalyzed by the incentives set up by the proof over protocol. We compare and contrast the key feature of existing fracture build-outs that use incentive with the Sushin network table. One commercializes this comparison on the axis of permissionless participation incentive and the application हिबा। तो लिए मैं हूँ, आप मुझे वोट करें, ये तो पढ़ लिया भाई। Lily02124, thank you so much to join my live stream and also follow me Lily। Lily आप सबका बेहद शुक्रिया for your beautiful compliments। Reinvestment in hardware improvements Filecoin it is has also led to the creation of large mining pools that allows individuals to participate in block consortium. Bitcoin's users have however do not have the possibility ये लिंक है न्यूज़ चैनल पर जो के वोट करें मुझे, आई विल बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दिस। थैंक यू सो मच शिबा। इंशाल्लाह मैं आपको लाइव आपको वोट करूँगा। मैं ये मेरी लाइफ खत्म हो जाए मैं आपको आके वोट करता हूँ। लाइक्सियो थैंक यू सो मच टू जैमल आइसक्रीम। जीरो एक्सबी थैंक यू सो मच टू जैमल आइसक्रीम। Falcon does not have required specialized algorithmic to participate in block consortium. Bitcoin users, however, do not explicitly demand low cost and low latency block consortium from miners. Second one is Falcon. Second one is Falcon. Falcon set up a decentralized storage network via the proof of spacetime. Thank you so much, Hiba. Providers can earn rewards for providing capacity to users, and users can use the network for long-term encrypted storage as the service being provided to the network for long-term encrypted storage. As the service being provided to users is commodity storage that programming data center operations case in contrast to proof generation. Filecoin does not require specialized algorithmic knowledge and significant investment in hardware improvements. Get user 41D0489. Thank you so much to join my live stream and also follow me. So third one is Alio significant investment in hardware improvement. Third one is Alio. Alio enable a privacy fast blockchain by incentives validators and provers via mixture of proof of stake and proof and institution inverter. W23 in Alio validators are responsible for proposing batches of transition to the network and provers solve complex puzzles of work mining and generation ZK proof to earn reward. The puzzles incentive provers to invest in hardware provers solve coin-based puzzles to prove work mining and generate ZK proof to earn reward. The puzzles incentive provers to invest in delivering cost-effective proof to earn users. For this reasons provers can control relate a redundant work and contention caused by mining. Carry on, boy. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Get user CE66B126. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Delivering cost-effective proofs to end user. For this reason, proofs can calculate redundant work and contention caused by mining. Coin determining wealth. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Sita134555126. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Third one is proof contest. We now introduce the proof contest mechanism, which is an action that allows requests to provers in the network and allow them to earn fees by balancing the usual forces of cost effectiveness and decentralization. Koya07, thank you so much to join my live stream. Tasika7722, thank you so much to join my live stream. Don, thank you so much to join my live stream. And also follow me. Alexian, thank you so much to join my live stream. Get user 903188AE, thank you so much to join my live stream. Proof contest. We now introduce effectively and decentralized at any time. User have sent a set of outstanding proof requests R1, Rn, and a set of proofs P1, PM are available to prove them. Each request RJ comes attached by get user 903188AE. Thank you so much to join my live stream. P1 are available to prove them. Each request RJ comes attached with a fee of J, which is the amount of the user's fee for the proof request. A cycle count as J. ASDFGGK, thank you so much to join my live stream, which is the amount in the code base to generate a proof of the request and deadline, which is the minimum amount of timeline the user is willing to wait for the request for assignment. Proves that private capacities for the maximum amount of cycles they can prove then private marginal cost per cycle and can prove the private marginal cost per cycle CJ. There are several critical that any mechanism for allocating proof request to prove should satisfy. Dark White, thank you so much to join my live stream. Ajim, thank you so much to join my live stream. First, Prover's capacity is the minimum amount to cycle that mechanism for allocating minimum request to Prover should satisfy. First one is efficiency. The mechanism should match the highest values regards to the lowest cost provides the maximize the surplus and correspondingly cost the lower prices prover should compete to offer users professional prices. Shakura 3434, thank you so much to Jamal Asim. 0xb, thank you so much to Jamal Asim. Time Traveler 1, thank you so much to Jamal Asim. Get other F59BD1, thank you so much to Jamal Asim. Daniska Kripta, thank you so much to Jamal Asim. Get user 398484E7, thank you so much to Jamal Asim. Coin Determine Wealth, thank you so much to Jamal Asim. Get user B4CCA060, thank you so much to Jamal Asim. 0xb, thank you so much. Skyfall, thank you so much. Efficiency, the mechanism should match the highest value represent to the lower cost providers. The maximum size the surplus corresponding for the user low providers. Gate user MD Joffer Tasika 77, thank you so much to Jamal Asting. Gate user CE66B126, thank you so much to Jamal Asting. User experience, user should explain transparent competitive prices. Request should be filled. Thank you so much UID. आपका बेहद शुक्रिया. Mechanism should be simple, provide decentralized. The mechanism should incentives are decentralized, provide set and allow home provider to join application may not be able to rely on a single contracted provider that compose to dominate the market due to economies of scale. Dragon Sword 1, thank you so much to Jamal Asim. Ami 8927, thank you so much to Jamal Asim. Skyfall, thank you so much. Kai 8 Mara, thank you so much to Jamal Asim. ABC XYZ, thank you so much to Jamal Asim. Unworries, thank you so much to Jamal Asim. Get user Ivan Khan, thank you so much to Jamal Asim. Perry 1122, thank you so much to Jamal Asim. Spam proofs, neither proofs nor users should be incentivized to span decentralized prover set and allow home provers to jam an application may not be able to rely on a single contract prover that comes to dominate the market due to economics. Fourth one is spam probes. Tasika 7722 Ihad Dream, thank you so much. Mushtaq 208 Yaga 2Z0 ZOZ 772, thank you so much. Jamal Asin Dark Danate spam probes. Neither provers nor users should be incentives to spam probes to the network to collect fees. The network should maximize the allocation of probing capacity and reward to probe request will real economic value. Helen 589, thank you so much to Jamal Ashim. Get user CE66B126, thank you so much to Jamal Ashim. Fifth one is throughput. The mechanism should minimize contention or contracts and maximize assignments of requests to available capacity and correspondingly maximize throughput. We first cover free candidate mechanism and evaluate them on the above criteria and able to compare this mechanism with proof contest which we describe shortly storm and mechanism mining. As a first approach, we can consider a mechanism commonly found in prior work. Hello everyone. We prove blockchains in evaluate them on the above crit- criteria and the work on proof requires simulatory assignment rewards in. Thank you so much all of you to join my live stream and also follow me. Thank you so much all of you to join my live stream. Storm and mechanism mining. Thank you so much all of you. Ratika, thank you so much to join my live stream and also follow me. Thank you so much all of you to join my live stream. Thank you so much all of you to join my live stream. Thank you so much Ratika. require using XLS and requirements throughout the mechanism require no bio bit. Thank you so much to join my live stream and also follow me. Thank you so much all of you. आप सबका बेहद शुक्रिया. Thank you so much all of you to join my live stream and also follow me. Ratika Storm and Mechanism. Get user 07539B5. Thank you so much to join my live stream and also follow me. Storm and Mechanism mining. As a first approach, we can consider a mechanism commonly found in prayer work on proof of work blockchains. In this approach, multiple proofs may work on a proof request simultaneously and submit the resulting proof to earn rewards. One way of assigning rewards is to ask proofs to submit proofs that satisfy us content effectively. This approach was pioneered by KB23 and LEO W23 in the context of design. Tracks, thank you so much to Jamal live stream. Mahadi Hassan Rafi 77, thank you so much to Jamal live stream. Thank you so much all of you. आप सबका बेहद शुक्रिया. Shakura 3434, thank you so much to Jamal live stream. Gate user 59DEFA84, thank you so much to Jamal live stream. Strong man mining पढ़ रहे थे. काय एडिटा मारा, thank you so much. सीधा 13455 thank you so much. Simultaneously and submit the resulting proof or one rewards. One way to offer signing rewards is to ask provers to submit proof that satisfy a certain difficulty level. This approach was pioneered by KB23 and LEW23 in the context of designing a continuous protocol. KB23 introduced the notion of using Ajax energy in proof of work to generate ZK proofs. Mustaq 208, thank you so much, Jamal. Rewards and substitutes proofs unless added advantage of mining is that is enabled as is live prover said that. थैंक यू सो मच अब्दुल्ला अल गराज. थैंक यू सो मच आप सबका बेहद शुक्रिया लाइव ज्वाइन करने के लिए. गेट यूजर जोनी ट्रेडर, थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू. गेट यूजर 491BD, थैंक यू सो मच. 590FA84, थैंक यू सो मच टू जामल स्ट्रीम. Ali, thank you so much to Jamal Stream. I will prove earn the largest share of the reward and the subsequent proves endless. Advantage of mining is that is enabled decentralized proofs at higher data efficiency, allows for home proofs that smaller hardware terms. Storm and choosing proofs to prove request via strike based selection. This can be implemented by asking proofs to deposit or stake and then selecting them to prove a request with probability proportional to their stake. The upside of this mechanism is that is avoid connection by assigning each a request to each a single prover. How if implemented in isolation without a fee mechanism that finds market clearing prices, it does not directly induce competition on cost since provers Kaya07, thank you so much to join my live stream. Kaya आपका बेहद शुक्रिया टू जॉइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम लाइव ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Thank you so much all of you. Our second approach involves Skyfall. Thank you so much. Selection D can be implemented by asking provers to deposit collateral or stake and then selecting them to prove or by asking prover to deposit collateral or stake and then selecting them to prove a request with probability proportional stake to earn. Align 1 2 3 4 should we hold or sell. आप sell कर दें align. Thank you so much. Welcome again. वेलकम आपका बेहद शुक्रिया टू जो हमारा लाइव स्ट्रीम करने के लिए. अलाइन 1 2 3 4 हाउ यू डेयर, कैसे हैं आप, ठीक हैं. By asking provider to deposit collateral or stake and then selecting them to prove a request with probability proportional The upside mechanism prover, however, is implemented in isolation without a fee mechanism that fits market clearing prices. It does not increases competition. It separately the incentives of running a prover which involves a capital management staking survey which involves capital management. A third approach involves asking provers to participate in a competitive action or to reduce the price of as much. गबूरा डबल सेवन थैंक यू सो मच टू जैमन। अब चलते हैं बैक इसके। सो आज का सो सो आई टेल यू वंस अगेन कैंडीडॉप 6 to 90 कैंडीडॉप एसोसिएशन अप्रूव ट्रेड टू शेयर 200 000 अप्रूव। ये मेरा आज का बोनस टास्क था जो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमने कंप्लीट कर लिया है। अब चलते हैं इसके फर्स्ट futures trade price pool rules. User who make it the first ever futures trade on get and futures trading volume of any token 5000 USDT will receive a fee 20 pro reward with first to come first. Subtotal price pool 1000 pro. So token pro official website and X note. So first one is note. Participant must click the join now button and on the event page. Iba, thank you so much to join my live stream. Engage in malicious vast trading self will be conscious. 81 is risk warning. Users must pay attention to the fact that virtual currency trading is affected by various factors such as market and policies. The market is highly valued and privacy fluctuation are difficult to predicate. हिबा मुझे वोट करें प्लीज। ओके हिबा मैं आपको वोट करूंगा इंशाल्लाह। So, eighth one is reconnection. User must pay attention to the fact that virtual currency trading is affecting get user Yagazos. Thank you so much to join my live stream. Thank you so much all of you to join my live stream. Yagazos 77 thank you so much. आप सबका बेहद शुक्रिया। So, get user 194982 thank you so much to join my live stream and also follow me. So, ज़रा इंटरनेट का इशू हो रहा है जिसकी वजह से मुझे भी और आप सबको मुश्किलात को पेश करना पड़ रहा है। द ऑब्वियस स्टूडियो एंड डैन बैट थैंक यू सो मच टू जामिल हाशिम। क्रिप्टो गेटवे गेट टीम अगेंस्ट वेरियस फैक्टर्स सच एज एंड प्रोलेट मार्केट पॉलिसीज। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू टू जामिल हाशिम एंड आल्सो फॉलो मी। आप सबका बेहद शुक्रिया मेरी लाइव ज्वाइन करने के लिए, ख़ास तौर पे हिबा मार्क क्रिप्टो चैंपियन हिबा। आप सबका बेहद शुक्रिया मेरी लाइव ज्वाइन करने के लिए। यू एटीएस डाटा गेट टीम गेट यूजर एटीएस इक्वल फायरवर्क्स इन द चार्ट्स। तो आज नेट का बहुत इशू हो रहा है जिसकी वजह से मुझे मुश्किलात का सामना पड़ रहा है और आप सबको थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू टू जॉइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। Four 98 थैंक यू सो मच टू जॉइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू। आप सबका बेहद शुक्रिया मेरी लाइव ज्वाइन करने के लिए। गेटवे डॉट क्रिप्टो गेटवे गेट टीम अगस्त 6 2025 गेटवे डॉट क्रिप्टो गेटवे टू क्रिप्टो ट्रेड ओवर 3500 क्रिप्टो करेंसीज cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily on Gateway to crypto trade over to 3500 cryptocurrencies safe quickly and easily on Gate. Take caution or sign up and claim up. Gateway to crypto trade over 3500 cryptocurrency safely, quickly, and easily on get a caution or sign up and claim up 10,000 welcome reward. Sign up and claim up 10,000 welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website site connection website. Download the Gate app desktop. Gate team August 6 2025 Gateway crypto trade over 3500 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 in welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate's official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insights. Transparency, Scotty, check our 100% proof of results. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करता हूँ आज का मेरा प्रोजेक्ट आपको समझ में आया होगा. हमने इसमें इसकी बात की, इसके एयर ड्रॉप की, आपको इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट दिखाई है, फिर हमने इसका वाइट पेपर रीड किया है. ये है इसकी डायग्राम. उम्मीद करते हैं आप ठीक होंगे. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट एक न्यू टॉपिक के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर होंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.